Hello folks, this is Mike, and this is an adjustable spray nozzle for a Ryobi late model pressure washer. If you have one of these, you may be experiencing the same problem I am. Now this is an adjustable nozzle, and after 2 years of use, it's gotten to where it will just hardly turn at all. I can only turn it in one direction. I can't turn it back the other way hardly. I think that's probably because corrosion's built up in here. This is aluminum. So let's take it apart and see if we can fix it and make it work. If not, I've got another solution. Now the actual repair process is very simple. All you need is the right size hex wrench, or Allen wrench if you prefer. There's an Allen head right here and a washer if you'll notice. So I'm going to hold this like this, very tight with my hands. Here we go. I'll insert my wrench and turn. Now once I have this completely out, we don't want to just jerk the top off because there's loose parts inside. So here we go. Let's see. There we go. Now see, this is dirty. This looks like plastic, but it may be aluminum. You see, you've got a BB. The BB goes here. There's a spring. This is spring loaded. Fortunately, the spring didn't fall out. Now here's your water inlet, and that's a sealing surface. See how dirty this is inside? Okay, you can see I put on some hand protection, and I'm going to use this. This is liquid wrench silicone spray. It's supposed to be waterproof. Waterproof parts, it says. Slick coating. So let's spray some in the top. And I'm going to take a towel, or actually a paper towel. Oh yeah, that cleaned it up real good. Okay. We'll spray this. And mainly we want to get the top surfaces and the edges here. We're just giving this a good cleaning. If yours is real dirty, you could use a solvent or even household detergent. So now we got it clean. So I'm going to give it one more spray, and we're going to leave that on there. So this goes right here. Okay. So we're going to put it back together. The spring's in it. There we go. Set this on top. Washer. Screw. Oops. I'm going to take it apart now that I dropped it and make sure that BB, see the BB fell out. Washer. Bolt. You don't want to tighten it too hard, but it does have to seal. Okay, there we go. I can turn it in both directions. A little bit of resistance, but not much. So there we go. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to show you. Now you'll notice that there's 5 inlets here. This is called a 5-in-1 nozzle. And the reason it's not a 6-in-1 nozzle is because they left off the 15-degree setting. You have 0, 25, 40, and 2 soap settings. To me, the 15-degree is one of the most useful settings, and they've left that one out. And not only was I having these problems with this, but I wanted that 15-degree setting, so what I did, and you may consider this too, if you don't want to do this every 6 months or so, just buy you a set of these. Now they will fit the universal quick connect on your wand, and they can quickly be changed out. They're easy to use. They also have a holder that actually hangs on your pressure washer, so they're always handy. So I'll put paid links in the video description for a set of these, for the original 5-in-1 Ryobi nozzle, and also for the silicone spray. Now, if you just prefer this concept, there are some other manufacturers on the market that are making 6-in-1 nozzles that include the 15-degree setting. Just a heads up. Can't recommend one because I haven't tried one, okay? Now, folks, we'd appreciate it if you go below and like our video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. So that's going to wrap it up for today. So until next time, thanks for watching.